So here are the 7 sciences, and I won't go into great detail. I'm not the scientist, that's Rebecca, but we cover values, and these are business values, and that's coming out of Stanford research out of Dr. Claire Graves. Our stages of growth. Every brand has a stage of growth, from emerging brand to the budget blinds, the Massage Envy's, huge brands. And that study is coming out of Neil Churchill, out of the Carruth Institute. Culture, how every brand has their own cultures. A lot of times I'm asked by brokers, well, they're senior care, they're all the same. They're not. They're not even close to the same. So every brand has their own culture, and your prospect needs to be able to fit into that culture or not, all right? And that's coming out of the University of Michigan. Work Style, which is actually the DISC program, is William Marston, Harvard Business School. You may have taken that profile in your career in the past, but we have that in there. Core competencies. This is a great one. This is almost like a, it comes out of StrengthsFinder and Gallup. So the core competency, you kind of rank yourself of who you are, and I'll show you what that looks like going forward here. Focus, big time focus is basically almost a sports kind of profile. It's out of Dr. Robert Netford in the University of Rochester, but how do you focus? How do you spend your day? Can you focus on this? Can you focus on that? We all know that great franchisees need to focus on a lot of things to be successful, and that's measured in our profile. And then last, the big kahuna here, the emotional and social intelligence out of Dr. Daniel Goleman. Many of you may have done some research, but these are the 7 key research studies that we have in our profile. Any questions on that? Nope. Okay, good.
Oh, well, I had a quick question just to interject there, just to have you talk about these. So within Zorackle, because each of these, I'm familiar with some of these just by, with DISC and with StrengthsFinder, those are some popular ones, but these are all one piece of what you're putting together. It's all included in it.
Absolutely. And it's very, you wouldn't know it. I mean, the regular consumer every day would not know it's all in there, but it is. And it's all analytically placed in there. And it just works. It really does. And it really comes, we say our spot on science, but it really is. And, the exciting thing, Tom, is when a broker or even our development person's on the other side and going through the person, whether it's a candidate or a prospect profile, and they're shaking their head. Yeah, that's me. That's me. That's me. That you can't ask for anything better than that. All right. That the spot on profile delivers trust and relationships. All right. And if I'm asking you to spend $500,000, trust and relationships is a big deal. But that's what the profile does. Again, we're delivering the heart and the mind of your prospect, and there's nothing better than that. And, when they take the profile, if they're a prospect, they got immediate skin in the game. All right. They really are interested. And the more that you can go through it with them, and it just it's so great to listen to brokers, even beginning brokers and senior brokers. They just love it because it gives them an upper edge on everybody else out there by using the tool. Okay, moving on.